Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone Off-Road's bed rail flag mount. Universal for any bed rail system. Step 1. Insert the two included T-nuts into your vehicle's trail rail. Next, decide how you would like to orient your flagpole. And with a 19mm socket, secure the mounting plate and bracket with two of the included bolts, washers, and nuts. Step 2. Slide the T-nuts into place and secure the mount to the vehicle with the remaining two bolts and washers with a 19mm socket. Insert the flagpole and pin, and you're done.